Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm gonna be uploading every other day, all of July, so subscribe for that. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, reviewing my subscribers Roblox games. Okay, so I posted an announcement on my Discord server. Alright, if you guys don't know what that is, it's just a nice server, you should definitely join it. But basically, I got like 200 responses. I said, I'm gonna make a video playing your guys' games. Alright, I want to review a few of them, I want to check a few of them out, I want to see what they're like. Alright, so I picked a few of them that I wanted to check out. They actually do have a lot of visits. There are actually some cool games on there. Some popular developers actually submitted some cool games. So I will be going through a few of those. Obviously not too popular, but also I picked some smaller games there. There was a lot of games, and I mean like a lot. Like I'll go ahead and show you guys the sheet right now. Like look at this. Okay, this is how many games we had. All right. How am I gonna do all these games, bro? Someone tell me how I'm gonna do all these games. So yeah. Unfortunately, I couldn't do all of them, obviously, but I picked about maybe 5. So yeah, I might do a live stream though, like where I like go through all these games, or try to go through a lot of them. So if you want to see that, make sure to hit the like button. If we get to like 1K likes, I'll do that maybe, and also subscribe if you want to see that, and you never subscribed before. So yeah, all right. So yeah, let's get started real quick with these games. All right. So first things first, travel to Unicorn Island Obby. Alright, you may be wondering what made me pick this game. It looks nice. I like the game art. Obviously, it's not very appealing to me personally, but I mean, it's a cool art style. I'm sure some people find it appealing, and I think it's slightly appealing. But it has 8,000 likes, so maybe it's a good game. I'm gonna hit the game link right now. I'm gonna go ahead and join it, and we'll test it out. One thing I do want to do too, real quick though, is actually I want to see how much Robux the game is made. So what we can do is use my Google Chrome extension here. Well, not mine, but use one I have. So about 34,000 Robux off of Game Passes. Not bad. And it has 290,000 visits. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and test this game out. It has 5 players, 8 players. I don't even know, man. But let's test it out. Let's see what it's like. Alright, this one seems promising. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why, but it just gives you that vibe. It's just like it's like a clean game. Okay, let's see. Alright, loading critical ad sets. Oh no, music, turn it off. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is. Alright, so click to play. Alright. I wish I had music. Wait, maybe I can mute music. Alright, there we go, perfect. Okay. Alright, so hey, I'm Unity the Unicorn. Alright, couldn't read that. Alright, I have a unicorn. I don't know what is going on here. But it's an obby of some sort. And actually, it looks pretty nice, honestly. It has a good theme. Like, I like the theme of it, not gonna lie. This looks clean. Although the UI, I'm not a big fan of this, like, text scaling right here. How you guys have that? That might maybe fix that part, but it's pretty cool though. I actually like it. The map is honestly well made. Obviously, not very appealing to anyone but females, but you know what I mean. It's a cool game. I think it's interesting. The obby is pretty easy too, so good for me, I guess. I like it though. It has a good theme. You know what I mean? It's consistent with the theme, and I think that's important. So I feel like if you had another idea, you could probably pull that off pretty well too. So yeah, that's cool though. I like this. Let's see. They have pets for an obby. That's kind of interesting. They have trails, all this stuff, game passes. I'm gonna be real. I'm not gonna go through this whole obby. Obviously, it's gonna take way too long. But I can see the obby. It looks interesting. The game, honestly, doesn't look bad in my opinion. I'm gonna give it like I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. All right, just because I like the consistency of the game. It's smooth, alright, it's clean. I'm sure if I was a female, I would enjoy this game a lot more, or if I like unicorns. Personally, not a big fan of unicorns, but, if that's your thing, that's your thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get out of this game now. Let's move on to the next one, but pretty interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's go to the next game. Alright, so, let's see. The Lost Land. Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I actually played this one a little bit. Alright, I have played it before, just for like a few minutes though. I didn't play too much of it, but it actually is really cool. It reminds me of another game I used to play a lot called Booga Booga, and it has actually about 60K visits, so that's not too bad. So yeah. Anyways, it's actually like decently well made. Honestly, I would be interested in investing into this game if they needed it. I think the guy actually reached out to me about that. I'm not 100% sure, but I kind of fell through. I just kind of I think I just forgot about it, to be honest. But he reminded me because he sent this game obviously in the forum, and it looks really clean. So I like it a lot. All right, but let's go and see what this is. We got this loading. Oh, okay. the loading screen takes a little bit long. Not gonna lie. This definitely is not an actual loading system. This is just, you can tell because it's so consistent. If you want to make an actual loading system, just use content servers. I think it is, or maybe I'm wrong on that one, but you can make actual ones. But anyways, edit character, start game. I'm just not gonna worry about the character too much. Oh, okay, that's cool actually. Oh wow, you changed right there. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, alright. That's cool, it's cool. Alright, let's go ahead and start the game though. Alright, we got the jungle land, the ice lands. Alright, let's go ahead and just use the jungle land. Okay, well, we don't have the ice land unlocked, so what am I freaking saying, boys? Okay, the lost land, teleporting. This honestly isn't bad. I'm gonna be real though, the UI really is not my style, but it's not bad. It's not bad in my opinion. Okay, so we like tutorial? Nah, we don't do tutorials. We don't need that stuff. Okay, so you got a rock, and I'm assuming you just... Oh, did the reward? Cool. Thank you, man. Thank you. So you got a rock, you just click. Dead trunk. Okay, this is actually not bad. It's... Okay, wait, F is for inventory. I accidentally pressed that. We got the apples, sandwich, bottle of water, materials. Oh, I had the armor from last time I played. Okay, that's cool. Actually, I don't know how I got this. I'm pretty sure, like... He dropped it for me. I don't know. I don't remember, to be honest, but I was in the game for a few minutes, so it was a while ago too. But anyways, it's not bad. I'm gonna be real. Like this is really clean. I like it. Obviously the UI is not really my style, like I said earlier. I think it was some work that could be better. Like, you know, I have ideas for the UI, but you know, it's not bad. The map is also I don't know. I feel like it's a bit too hilly for me. But it looks clean, you know what I mean? Obviously you did smooth terrain, so you know, it's not really too much you can do with that, just smooth terrain. But it looks clean. I like it. And you know, like I said, Booga Booga has that too, so yeah. And you do have like actual AI, not really anything too crazy, just maybe actually this might be just tweening, to be honest. But let's hit it again, and okay, drop some meats. Interesting. Honestly, it's not bad. I wish I could do PvP. I probably should have had a friend test this with me, but unfortunately I don't have any friends. So yeah, I guess we can't do that now. But this is interesting. I'm actually going to DM the developer of this game. I want to talk to him some more about this. Possibly make a deal with him in some way. But yeah, pretty cool game. Not going to lie, guys. Come check it out if you want. It's pretty cool. All right, not bad. Well, let's keep it going. Okay, next. Okay. So obviously, I had to throw in some less popular games. All right, and unfortunately, you know, I can't pick all of them. Like I said, because there's a lot. Oh, actually, wait. I mean, yeah, a lot of games. Okay, and I actually asked them in the game, like, or in the forum, how many visits they have. All right. So there's a lot with you know, a lot of smaller games, and I wanted to check them all out, but like I said, it's just too many. So I picked a few of them. This one looks promising. Okay, I don't know why, but for some reason, look at this thumbnail. All right, look at it. Would you not play that? All right. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. It has 12 likes, so I'm pretty sure it's probably pretty good. Let's just get right into it, boys. I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's just hop right into this bad boy. Let's see. We got row camping. Okay, let's go ahead and hit play. Wait, so how many visits do they have? 569. That's not bad, actually. That's not bad. But let's do this. All right, waiting for available server. Honestly, bro, like if Roblox didn't take so long to load, like I feel like, you know what I mean, like it'd be such a better platform, you know. I'm kidding, it doesn't take that long to load. All right, row camping, play. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. All right, we got the free models freeze. I'm kidding. I don't know if the free model. Don't get mad, please. Wait, there's stone on the ground. Okay, it's kind of cool actually. I'm just collecting stone. Collect. I don't know what really I'm getting the stone in 6-4, but I mean that's cool, I guess, right? At least I'm getting something. We got the starter pack, 10 slots. Okay, no inventory. Whoa, this is a weird inventory system. I've never seen like it laid out like this. I mean, it's not weird, but like the the UI is laid out. So we got items and then objects. It's actually pretty cool though. We got police shelter. Oh wow, okay. Oh, that gets rid of the grass. This is actually kind of cool. You don't have any objects yet. Okay. I don't know what I need objects for. Pick up shelter, start objects. No, what is this? Crafting. Okay, so it's like a survival type game too. Honestly, like this actually is not bad. I mean, for 1,000 visits, I mean, this could honestly pretty interesting. I will say though, I'm very confused. I don't know what I'm supposed to do exactly. Like, I'm really confused. So if you made a tutorial of some sort, that'd probably be a lot better. But this actually is not that bad, dude. I mean, good job to whoever made this. Honestly, it's pretty interesting. I like how it looks. And yeah, go check it out if you guys want to. Like I said, a tutorial would be a lot better because I really don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. But if I knew what I was supposed to do, maybe it'd be more fun. But it looks like it's well made. I mean, decently well made. Obviously, the map, it's a bit basic. The trees are just kind of repeated. But it's not bad. It's not bad. But I like the smoothness. I wasn't expecting this good of quality from a game with only 1,000 visits. You know what I mean? So yeah, but good job though, guys. Like I said, make a tutorial. It probably could be better. All right, let's go to the next game. Okay, the next one. All right. Now, you may be wondering right now, okay? I know I said in the title, all right, that this game made 25 million Robux, okay? And that's because it really did, okay? Look at this, all right? This game right here, this guy actually submitted this game. It's kind of funny, but this guy actually submitted this game, and he made like 60, he has 60 million visits on this game, which is a great amount. Congrats to that guy. I mean, that's awesome, dude. At first I thought it was like some random who submitted it, because I was like, okay, why would he submit it? But actually it wasn't. All right, let me show you what I mean. So actually, okay, let me prove it. Okay, let me show you the game first, actually, and then I'll prove that it was him. Okay, one sec. Okay, so this is the game right here, as you can see, and we got 60 million visits. Not bad. We got 6,000 players right now. It's actually like 10 p.m. right now, so that's pretty good for 10 p.m. On a Sunday night. So we got passes, as you can see, and let me actually go on my Google Chrome to see the extension. This game made 25 million Robux off game passes. Bro, congrats to you, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you right now. Look, if you look at my screen, wait. If you look at my screen, I literally already own some because I actually played this game before. And I'm not gonna go into it, honestly, because it's a popular game. I mean, obviously he doesn't need me to review it. I think he just kind of submitted it for fun. But I mean, congrats to this guy though. It did pretty well for him, and that's cool that he submitted it. But if you guys are wondering actually like how he or how I know it's him and I know it's not just some like random that submitted it, because like, okay, look, so if you go on the forum, it says he put his game. He didn't even link it, bro. He's just too cool to link it. He just put Airport Tycoon. Okay. So then you see his game right there. I searched it up and then I was like, okay, is that actually him? So then I checked to see who owns it, right? And as you can see, it's this guy right here, Daniel Rocky, and that's the same guy. And I was like, well, is that actually his Discord? And then I actually looked, I searched it up, right? I looked for it in my Discord server, and as you can see here, we got, well, actually, it's gonna take a while to look up, but let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I got the guy right here. I actually have him added now, but this is the guy right here. But yeah, as you can see, that's him. He's actually in the server he's verified with the name Daniel Rocky, so that's how you know it's him, right? Because when you join the server, you have to verify with your Roblox account, and he actually has that name Daniel Rocky, so that's actually how you know it's him. So that's pretty cool, man. Thanks for watching the videos, I guess, or thanks for being in the server. But congrats on your game, dude. I mean, that's awesome, dude. Good for you. For real, props. But yeah. All right, I would test it, but I don't want to waste you guys' time. You've probably already played it before. It's a really popular game. But yeah, pretty cool. Anyways, let's keep going. Okay, so last game, you know how to throw in a simulator, okay? Cherry Simulator. This game has about 2.2k visits right now, so it's like I said, it's a smaller game, but it doesn't mean it's bad. All right, the thumbnail looks promising. The map's a little bit basic, but it's okay. Maybe the scripting is good. Maybe the scripting will make up for it, or maybe just the gameplay in general will make up for it. I mean, also, geez, it's thundering right now in Florida. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah. All right, actually, I'm kind of curious. Let's check how much this game made. I'm kind of interested. It has 2,000 visits, and it made 520 Robux off game passes. Not bad, man. Not bad. Your game passes are priced a little bit cheap too. Not gonna lie, but I don't think he completed it yet, actually, because there's only 3 game passes. But yeah. Anyways, all right, let's check this game out. Cherry Simulator. Okay. Wait for available server. Yo, this simulator, I can already tell. I have a good feeling about it. You know what I mean? I just feel like it's gonna be just top notch. You know what I mean? Okay. Oh no, the music. Actually, this is copyright music. I know this song. Okay. Added 6 new cherries. Free VIP servers. Added new lighting settings. Cool. All right. The UI obviously needs work. I don't like the blur effect. I can tell there's a slight blur on this game. Off the bat, not a fan of it personally. We have the leaderboard here. This might be from my video. If it is, yay, you already know. Props, but I think it might be, honestly. It kind of looks like it, actually. You just customized it a bit. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. So this is this game. We got ranks here. That's cool. He spelled beginner wrong. He said beginner. Maybe I don't know how to spell, actually, but I'm pretty sure I spelled that wrong. But yeah. Anyways, let's see what's going on over here. We got to sell. Okay, what do we actually do? I don't know how to play this game. Do I just like pick cherries off trees or something? Like, what do I do? It's called Cherry Simulator. Invite your friends. That's cool, I guess. Actually, I don't know how to play. Like, please, someone tell me how to play. I'm very confused. Like, am I just dumb, or does this game like not work? Zones. Oh, bro, the lightning outside. Jeez, you guys hear that? Okay, this game legit doesn't work, I guess, because I don't think you can play. But, you know, I guess that cool. Oh, okay, you have to go equip your cherry. Okay, definitely make that so you don't have to do that. That's definitely an issue, man. But, okay, so you eat a cherry, and then you get, like, cherries. And then, let me guess, you sell your cherries? Yep, alright. You know, honestly, dude, it's not that bad. You know, you probably want to add some animations, or maybe just a better core loop in general, because it's just kind of basic right now. But you know, it's interesting, and if it's your first game, not bad at all, man. Better than... Oh my goodness, you guys hear that? I might die in a second here, but I'm uploading this video, bro. I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna end this video before like I get shocked through the computer or something. Anyways, pretty cool game though. I'm not gonna lie. Obviously needs a bit of work. I don't think it's finished yet, but nice job, man. You know, for a first game, not bad at all. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys want to see me do a live stream of playing and reviewing your games, get this video to 1K likes. Alright, smash the like button, and I will do that sometime. And also, be sure to subscribe for more Roblox development videos. Alright, I'm uploading every other day in all of July, so let's get it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. And I'm scared. Lightning. Okay, bye.